All right. Quick note. All right. Quick note. Ken Biko Biao. Ken Palace of Justice. This information is very, very important. I cannot see something make a blanket as a brother. Though you can ask him, Jpac, I should have chatted you privately. Yes, you are right if you say so. But the reason why in the cinema I chatted you privately, we're working this very one, Bogeni. Konya Obuna, we're not on a more waragi. Because when you get working privately, always need deny here and a waragi. So that's why I come up publicly to tell you. A lady complained to me this early morning that na Igbo Mubiko as a friend should contact you before you this month. It's not this month or this week. Also, you for now till Sunday. Nobody in your hair go. And nobody should beg her. She's a mother, a woman. Ken, because as much as you can, Oburuburu gave Boro the money. According to the woman, also not since last year. No Tony J. Since last year. You know who I'm talking about. So because Obuno is such person Ogwo or a lecturer at University of Nigeria and Soka. A lecturer na University of Nigeria and Soka. Obuno Jonya Ogwo. Imana Arab is Arab for no. When you're talking about somebody, people will talk about your own. I have no permanent friend and I don't have any permanent enemy. I'm a neutral person. I'm a neutral person. Do you understand? I'm a neutral person. So because already that woman after this my video, Chobi Eju will take Kibegini. Ki were near that woman who don't share. I'm not here to insult you or to castigate your image. But if I didn't matter me, baby. I need that woman who go area. Never this is say that now you don't have anything to give her. When all they could have born now, you were all over her. And why are Jomo? Also, you gave her confidence, they were in a magana hard here. So then the child from the hair be a mother. No, a mother. You could have magana hard here. So to be on me, Yiko. But whatever guy under trust, and never see a nigga one nature, you know, he will be good in my own ogu. So after since last year, after Elijah, after a million so. After Elijah, after a million, why not call him on phone? I already had a phone, I'm point a phone now. You know, go agree. I just want to pass the message. Do mas now from now till Sunday, nobody on your head, Diego. Never on an Aba. No, I be able and no matter go the question there. So, call a able somewhere I do care not. Kunua Boka friends here. Because now I said, why not call him on phone? How many times have I called Ken on phone? Well, see, I will put a help somebody at justice or I know if so when call it on phone when you who I because then came where I go no. So when you end up on the phone for. And I said, why not call him on phone? How many times have I chatted him? Well, see, I will put a help somebody at justice. No, I'm gonna go today. I will not donate 1 naira. And I will not even I won't even that is so what he I said why not call him on phone? He might have before. So when you're not so Ken, my friend, Biko, God made the needful. Made the needful. Simple as ABCD. More I know I'm need to who there. because ọbụna nke nna ndị nke nna agbabere ọ na-anụ agwara m esi wepụ emegidere ihe ngwa si ya efuru Zion wepụrụ ndị aka wepụrụ kedu advice m menyezi ya karịrị nke ahụ mgbe egbu onwe m ọmụmụrụ Ken ka ọ bụ Ken ọmụnarịrị nwaanyị agwara m esi ya wepụrụ ndị Zion aka wepụrụ ha aka leave these people in fact agwara m esi ya wepụ aka na religion I will know what I passed through the religion. We put a religion, may your content. Why not call him on phone? I know they call anybody. This thing I'm doing is what I would do. Oh, Ken is grown up. He's a grown up person. But I'm going to say we put a religion. We put a oka. We put all these people. How will they follow us? If they choose to report your account, they will report you from morning till night. But then I'm a since age I can have been and we go back religion again. All your change on soon look I knew that way and cafe my throw up and go. So major doing the murder or can I make that same why not call him on phone? Calling him on phone won't do about it. Because if it was away on phone, okay, I make why he hurt him, so no need. So Ken, Yenji Yogi Yakata Biko Onya with much respect for me. Because also no man no Buru Ken. Namma be dachi. Hello? Okay. Oh good so no be kita be arrest na ba. On with the information there baby. What the information everything they just need to go hioku. Obu ni ji ego agata but the woman na phone with Iroma. Where say they go hard here now. I'm going to go ahead and but the woman on the phone now. Can't really want to get that justice for Ken. According to house, no one to go information they be Raba. No one to all your details. So just never expo. Normally I'm not supposed to Zwigo here because after all, I'm going to go save na WhatsApp, you're not going to listen. So I believe no one did Andrew maybe the Jpac and I don't know Jpac, maybe Nabu Coco. That is why it's more than early morning. Jpac, where do you belong? Ajak is where do you belong? I can have a go for a man on a blogger and are smart. They never tell you say a blogger is supposed to be smart. Know when to leave the stage as well. A dancer is supposed to know when to leave stage. When you are doing something continuously, repeatedly, and enough for the here when you keep taking a problem, you divert. You divert immediately, change style, change pattern of music. So when you're not be able to go, you're mabo. Unu bromo yo siare na mo gwara Ken. Onye yere na bụ the ogwo, ya je settle all the person. Onye a were ha na DSS bịa track ya gị. Okporo ha anaghị anyị were gị mee gịnị gba content. Sure. Hey man, when he na-arụsị n'aka siri m ike. I'm looking for work. People say I should go and look for work. I'm looking for a job. So onwe ya na-arụ kịta aka siri m ike ghọtara. So awụrụ ha anaghị na kịta anyị akpọpe ring light. Mee gịnị? Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. No, ugbo ebe kwa ugbo na bidia na.
Kada ina. No, ugbo mo wole ugbo mbere.
No ugbo ado.
Aga be ya.
Ugbo ade.
Kana ina.
Odo bia French.
Kana ina.
Ina ika.
Kakai akwai gida.
Akai gbe.
Akwai wani cire a wanda ba gaskiya akwai cin hanci.
Yowa.
To.
Madala.
To. Madala bala. To. Madala. Hey, abunde aiki. Aiki abunde kai.
Na dia na so kwa wa shige.
Na.
Dia kaga. Dia kaga so.
Dia na su ne gogo na. A kullun na barawo ka kullun rana na bai gida. To ne gashe abu da shinga kabude mai raba kabude. Kabude bai fe. ka abu da duri so karro ala ka dawo so karro ala ngafe ay kada haram ka hajano iyo na take do jisun ngafe o kan we nye ego say na we be go na yamba de so assalamu alaikum salam